At Tyten, we transform the way how facility management industry handles repairs. At the moment, specifically, we help with completely automating the help desk function within facility management industry, and also helping technicians with diagnostic and repair guidance when they actually in front of the device. So we are looking at transforming it globally, and now starting in the UK. So Tyten's vision is to be a go-to place for facility management industry when it comes to identifying efficiencies in their processes, specifically predict the next point of failure for devices that needs to be serviced. We want to understand what is the actual root cause and help technicians to resolve those issues as fast as possible. Even though we've only been working with Phil Ventures for a short time, the whole process has been very smooth, starting from the initial conversations and then showing the genuine interest and understanding of what we're doing. What is great is that we already received a lot of support on the kind of PR side, doing the video materials and also recruitment. So we're really looking forward to continue building our relationships with the Phil Venture team.